Okay, so this is how Binky showed me somebody with another Riviera that had something similar to this to break this off. So what I did, guys, I'm guesstimating here, trying to get that nice and smooth around there. So what I do is come in there, then I took a piece of paper, traced along this outside. All right, then I come in on this side and lay that piece of paper down. Then I come through and run my line down on this other side, guys. All right, so then all I need to know at that point is make sure that my tape is up under the chrome there. And boy, he didn't get this. He didn't want to get this redid, so hopefully, I don't know, we can maybe sandblast it and paint that piece, but I would have had it re-chrome. But so anyway, so now I just gotta scuff and sand up to here, because this is gonna be the color of the car there, the bottom half. So this is how I'm gonna do this, guys. And I'm not sure, but I might run a cream pinstripe right up on the bottom of the chrome too. So I'm not 100% sure about that, and it won't matter because I am going to be scuffing this, so I'll be able to paint and clear right over what I'm doing here. So this will be feathered out right in this area, and then this will be scuffed. Now when I cleared this, I wasn't worried about this, but this is gonna have to be DA'd out right in that area to get where the I think I was cleaning up under there or something, and the clear wasn't dry, but I wasn't really worried about that because this got to be sanded out. But in this area up here and even up above this, I make sure that that's scuffed. And even when I DA this, I'm gonna DA this out because it's a finish. It's finished already, so that'll be DA'd out with like 320. So this should sand down flat without messing up the finish there too bad. So all right.